Welcome to ERi-TV, dear viewers. This is English news broadcast for this hour with me, your reporter Versaba Takhla, and following are the major headlines for today. Cataract surgery performed in the southern Red Sea region. Encouragement to outstanding students in the Martyrs subzone. Heavy rains and landslides kill 47 in Tanzania. And China's Xi welcomes Belarusian president to Beijing. On your domestic reports, cataract surgery has been performed at the Asab Hospital and Tio and Eddi community hospitals. Consequently, 80 patients at the Asab Hospital, 110 at the Tio Hospital, and 84 at the Eddi Hospital have had eye surgery. The head of the Asab Hospital's eye treatment unit, Mr. Gebra Haile Mikael, stated that a survey on the state of eye diseases was conducted in the subzones of Eritrea, Central Dankalia and South Dankalia in July and August, and it was discovered that many residents of these subzones had various forms of eye diseases. According to Mr. Gebre, 274 individuals underwent cataract surgery as part of their eye care, with the other patients receiving medication. Head of the non-communicable diseases at the Ministry of Health branch in the region, Ms. Hiwat Gebre Meskel, urged parents to regularly monitor their children's health and avoid using traditional medication, pointing out that a special service being conducted specifically on children with the aim of controlling blindness. The recipients expressed their appreciation for being able to have their vision returned. Bana Harnet School in Dakamhara provided award to outstanding students that scored higher results in the 2022-2023 8th grade and National School Living examinations. The awardees included 59 outstanding students, including 38 female students that scored from 3 to 4 in the National School Living examination, and 16 outstanding students, including 8 female students that scored higher results in the 8th grade national examination. Ms. Rugba Kifla, head of education office in the subzone, said that the objective of the award was to encourage the outstanding students and inspire fellow students to work hard and become competitive in their education. Pointing out that substantial investment is being made to the education sector, Mr. Girma Isset, managing director of the Martyrs subzone, congratulated the outstanding students along with their parents and the school community. Youth workers in Hagas subzone extended 28,000 nafa in support of children of martyrs. At the handing out event organized on 29 November, it was reported that the objective of the support was to enable the students to regularly follow up their education unhindered by lack of school materials. Mr. Idris Abdu, head of education office in the subzone, said that the support was to cover school uniforms and registering of the children of martyrs. Mr. Ta'am Malu, head of the Youth Workers Organization, and Mr. Bashir Mohammed Idris, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the subzone, expressed appreciation for the initiative the youth workers took and called on others to follow the noble example. Mr. Azazi Berakhatab, head of the Union branch in Ansaba region, for his part called on the beneficiary students to work hard and become competitive students. On your last local report, 3 months vocational training was provided to 67 youth in Duwarwa subzone. The training included video and still camera, computer technology, electronics and solar system, and electricity installation. Speaking at the occasion organized on 3 December, Mr. Jakob Tsagay, head of vocational training in the southern region, called on the trainees to upgrade their capacity through practice and apply the training they were provided in improving their livelihoods. The trainees, on their part, commending for the training opportunity they were provided, expressed readiness to turn the skill they acquired in improving their livelihoods. DVS will be back with your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. According to local officials, severe flooding and landslides have killed at least 47 people and wounded 80 others in northern Tanzania. It happened near the slopes of Mount Hanan, where President Samia Hassan has deployed national security forces to help with rescue efforts. Homes and infrastructures were also damaged by the adverse weather. Flooding is said to be the greatest natural hazard in Tanzania, affecting tens of thousands of people each year. East Africa has been severely hit by floods and landslides in 2023, partly caused by El Niño weather phenomenon. On today's final report, China is willing to continue strengthening its strategic cooperation with Belarus. President Xi Jinping was cited saying after meeting with Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko. Xi and Lukashenko met in Beijing, where they held talks along with their delegates, as images by state broadcaster CCTV showed. It is the second visit this year by the Belarusian president to Beijing. Local media reported that Xi told Lukashenko that both countries should improve cross-border transport facilitation and promote economic and trade ties as well as people-to-people exchanges. The Chinese leader also said Beijing and the Eastern European country should implement projects such as the China-Belarus Industrial Park and promote industrial cooperation. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Cataract surgery performed in southern Red Sea region. Encouragement to outstanding students in the Martyrs subzone. Heavy rains and landslides kill 47 in Tanzania. And China's Xi welcomes Belarusian president to Beijing. DVS, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.